Right, so basically, just to recap on what we've done a very light scarify. You don't need to scarify heavily when your lawn is done every single year. And obviously the species of grass will also determine how much thatch that lawn produces and how much then comes out. This one doesn't produce too much, it always seems to do quite well. So we scarified lightly. This lawn on the left was scarified, and the one on the right we did it by hand. And the reason I did it by hand is because the customer had done a bit of overseeding herself and I didn't want to go in ripping it all out, so I was just trying to do it really carefully. We've put a little bit of seed down in the edges, but we know that it always struggles in this point. So it may come through, but then it's going to thin again over winter, so it's a bit of a lost cause, to be fair. And again, on this one, we've then run the aerator over both lawns to punch some holes in. We use the Wallen C manual hand aerator for the little tight areas, just around these slabs, just to put some holes in. Then we overseeded. So we overseeded the whole lawn, and then we used the Landsy compost spreader to spread out the compost on top. Finally, you saw me with the brush, just gently raking the compost off the top of the grass so that it works down in and amongst the blades of grass and it's at ground level. Then I used the roller, gave it a tidy up with the blower, and finally I got some emerald green on and gave it a water. Now the emerald green will help the grass seeds to germinate, and it's providing certain nutrients which will help the grass. So all in all, this is a good renovation to do, and when you do them regular, they're a pleasure to do. And 2 or 3 weeks, this will look lovely. I've asked the customer to send me some footage once it's all come through, so if she sends that to me, I'll put that on at some point. So thanks for watching. Any questions, please pop them down below. I'm here to help. I'll answer all your questions as best I can, to the best of my knowledge. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.